and I, we came to this place a couple days ago, just walking past, and we decided to come here for what? Lunch, and also to do some work. I'm gonna work on my project, he's gonna work on his thingy majiggy. Yeah, it's a nice, quiet place so far right now. And so we are here just with the owners. So we're heading back to the house because the husband has a meeting that cannot be taken here because of the music in the background, and I hope I don't get flagged for it. So I'm waiting for him, and then we head back home and I finish doing what I have to do. So I came back home, did some work, and now I'm out for a girls' night. I'm waiting for the Uber. Ooh. What?
If I finish on time.
Enjoy. I won't come back home until midnight.
Okay. But my birthday, calculation.
Uh-huh. Thank you for watching and thank you for being here, and I will see you in the next video.